Loyal, loyal, loyal! Para tayo EDSA Revolution. Okay, take a seat, guys. Urgent meeting. Parang kaninang umaga lang yata tinext o kaninang madaling araw lang nag-massive text. Kaninang umaga lang nilagay sa Facebook and yet, you guys are here. Guys, thank you very much for your show of support and confidence with the company. You've heard so many from our top leaders, from our training team, and as they have said, probably you've heard it already, natural lang po yung sa buhay ng taong may nawawala. May namamatay. Totoo naman, di ba? At times yung anak yung namamatay, at times yung magulang yung namamatay, at times yung lolo-lola namamatay, at times yung kaibigan na namamatay. Okay, at times yung mahal mo sa buhay. At times, di ba, para kami pinaghuhugutan. Parang tadhana lang, di ba? Minsan, nawawala yung mahal mo sa buhay, nakaka-encounter ka ng mas mahal mo sa buhay. It happens. Okay? And also in business like ours, it will also happen. It's inevitable. The only question is, guys, pag may nawawala, lagi naman may pumapalit. At usually, sabi nga nila, the reason why people are leaving you, so that God can create someone better for you. Okay? So, kung sa tingin nyo, umalis sila at masaya sila, we wish them well. Okay? We respect their decision, we wish them well, and we hope and pray sana magtagal. Okay? Totoo po yun. Miski yung mga companies na nabibideo sa ANC, di ba? We wish them well. Why? The sad thing is this, guys, pag may nagsarang company, sino tatamaan? Tayo din. Sabi niyo, pare-pareho lang yan. May product, may marketing plan, may kitaan. May nagsara dito, may nagsara dito. Ganun din kayo. Okay, our goal, guys, 9.5 years ago, September of 2005, when John Aspirin, when Francis Miguel and I incorporated this company, our goal is to build a company that will last. Last not just for 3 years. Last for a long, long time. A company that from the Philippines, it would go global. Kaya if you've been hearing news na nagplato na raw, diba? Ang lagi ko sinasabi, guys, if the population in the Philippines is 100 million, ang networkers population is just 2 million. 2 million lang po. So basically, it's just 2% of the Philippines population. Am I right?
Yes.
So can you imagine kung itong kwartong to, ang Pilipinas, ang population ng Pilipinas, ang networker po, ganito lang kalaki. Ganyan lang. So imposible na as of this time, after 9 years of existence ng company, tanungin mo yung mga networker, alam mo ba AIM Global? Alam mo ba AIM Global? They will always answer what? Yes or no? Yes, alam na nila AIM Global. Bakit? Networker yan eh. Full-time networker, part-time networkers, one way or another, they have heard it. Sumali na, na-recruit, or tumingin lang, naalukan, hindi sumali, or what? Alam na nila yan. Okay, alam na nila yan. But the bigger part of this room, hindi pa nila alam. Tama o tama? The sad thing is that when leaders always look at the networkers pool, sasabihin nila, saturated na ng AIM Global ng market kasi dito ka lang nakatingin. Dito ka lang nakatingin. I challenge them nga eh. Saan ka nakatira? Israel? Sa Israel ka nakatira? I challenge you, a big 80% nung nakatira doon, hindi alam kung ano AIM Global. Tama o tama? Diba? How can you say na saturated na? Pag dito ka tumingin, puro networkers, yes, alam na nila. Palibhasa, pag network builder, pag gusto mong mabilis bumulusok ang grupo mo, kanino ka titingin? Networker o hindi networker? Networker. Bakit? Para mabilis umarang kada grupo. Tama o tama? Alam na nga ng networker, titingin ka pa sa networker. Tumingin ka sa labas ng networker. Tumingin ka doon sa hindi alam ang AIM Global, which is so huge. Turuan mo sila, mag-build ka ng relationship. Turuan mo. Mabagal nga, pero long term naman. Mabagal nga, pero yung loyalty nasa iyo naman. Tama o tama? Mabagal nga, pag natamna mo naman, they will stick to you for a long, long time. Yan yung residual income, hindi yung tumingin ka ng networker, tipaklong. Diba? So, sumali dahil sa support, hindi long term yun. Can you imagine, guys, pag-aalokan ka ng opportunity, how I wish ganito sila mag-isip. O sige, aalis kami. Why? We want to provide you something better. Tama po ba? We want to provide you not only something good, but something better. So how can you know that what they're offering is something better? Number one, maganda yung product. Tama. Pero pag wala pang product, may marketing plan na, questionable yun. Tama. Meaning they're willing to sacrifice the cost, the quality, the quantity of the product to justify the goodness of their marketing plan. Pinaganda marketing plan. Ano product? Darating yun. Ha? Hindi mo inisip kung ano yung product, yung cost, yung quality, imported, local, benefits, so and so, just to justify maganda yung marketing plan. Are you really bringing the people to a better place? Or are you too greedy to earn so much? Just to entice people. Guys, at the end of the day, ang downlines pinapakita. Hindi pinagkakakitaan. Hindi parang pako, ipupukpok mo, pag nagsawa ka, bubunutin mo, papako mo na naman dito. Hindi pa nga kumikita dito, palilipat mo na agad. Guys, at the end of the day, buti sana guys, I'm honest enough. Last night, I have a talk like this with a certain group of leaders. 9.5 years ago, when I left my company was dwindling. Distributor lang ako. When Francis Miguel left their companies were dwindling as well. Hindi na nag-i-innovate, hindi nagbibigay ng value for money product, hindi naglalabas ng magagandang product, walang value-added service, hindi nag-expand locally at internationally. Natural, mamamatay yun. Natural na wala ng innovation. If you won't innovate, you will evaporate. Tama. Buti sana kung wala kaming ginagawa hindi, guys. Within the next 6 months, we will launch 3 online products. 3 online products. What are these 3 online products? Sige, record nyo. Secret. What are the effects of these 3 online products? Number 1, credit card payment online. Number 2, i-deliver door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. Eto na, this is the right time. Right na tayo for the taking to be really, really global 100%. Isipin mo, company sa US, billion-dollar company a year, pinag-uusapan global. No offense, Herbalife, Amway, Usana, Forever Living, they're talking about us. Who is this small company in the Philippines? How come they can gather 55,000 on their 9th year anniversary? You know what, guys? Wala pang gumagawa sa buong Asia, wala pang gumagawa sa buong Europe, wala pang gumagawa sa buong Africa na 55,000. Sa US, marami nang nakagawa yan. Of course, they're US companies. Of course, they're billion-dollar company a year. Pero a company from the Philippines, wala pa. Tayo pa lang yun. And once we've done it, 55,000, and once we've launched the 3 online products, now we're gonna be not only talk of the town, we're gonna be talk of the world. Tuwang-tuwa ko. Every time that I'm gonna say this, I know for a fact this is true. We, the Filipinos, are the best online marketers. Diba? Pag-gising mo pa lang sa umaga, walang makeup, selfie. Anong nakalagay doon? No filter, JWU. Tama. Naghilamos, bago kumain, almusal, pipicturan. Breakfast at ATM. At the moment. Tama. Diba, bago lumabas ng bahay, outfit of the day, outfit of the night, sa gabi. Chilling at Starbucks. Diba, watching Tadhana at Robinson's Galleria. Everything that we do, we love putting it online. And the best part is this. Pag naka-receive ka ng ganong notification, magla-like ka pa. Comment ka pa dyan, di man lang nagsama. Patikim naman yan. Tama. You know what, guys? Americans are not like that. Europeans, Canadians, they don't care kung anong movie pinapanood mo at the moment. They don't care kung anong outfit of the day nor outfit of the night mo. Pag ganun ka, mayat-maya nagpo-post ng walang kakwenta-kwenta, unfollow, unfriend ka nila. And yet, there's this one company in US. To be exact, one company in US, 10 years na sa US, multi-million-dollar company a year, ang members nila nasa 60,000 pa lang. Okay? 60,000 pa lang. Products nila supplement coming from the sea. Okay? What happened? 2 years ago, nag-launch ng online division. Nag-create ng product. Yung product na to, dinideliver door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. Credit card payment online. Ito yung online division nila. Guess what? After 6 months, yung 60,000 distributors nila and yung sales nila, guys, nag-times 700%. And yet, these guys are not onliners. They hate notifications. What more with us Filipinos? E di gamitin natin yung pagiging onliner natin. Tama. After 6 months, guys, the talk of the world will be, kamusta grupo mo? Grabe, yung Europe, pumipairing sa Middle East at sa Africa. This is the time. This is the time. This is not the time to look for another MLM opportunity. This is not the time to be defocused. This is the time to be focused and build your group and build your dreams.
Yes!
Build your dreams, guys. Build your dreams so big. Why? Because the global market can fulfill all of your biggest dreams. We have given you so much. We're giving you so much products, vehicle, not only for local, not only for offline, but for online market. Ang inaantay na lang namin kayo. Marami nagsasabi, AIM Global, ang income hanggang 2 million, 3 million per month na lang. Hanggang 3 million per month pag nag-peak ka. Guys, we're just talking about the Philippines. Abangan mo yung global market. Tama o tama? Abangan mo yung global. Ako na-excite actually, hindi lang sa Philippines, even in Africa. Guys, as of today in Africa, we're selling 5 million pesos per day. Per day. So those people saying, nagplato na, huy, may downline ka ba sa Africa? Bakit? Baka hindi mo kaya magkaroon ng downline in other countries. Baka tieg mo pa yung mga onliner. May AUBI ba rito? May AUBI? Yes. Tahimik. Oh, meron ba rito unicorns? Yes! So, pagbigyan natin, mag-ingay nga, AUBI. Pinaos. Guys, these guys, unicorns, AUBI, onliners. So, tignan niyo yung sumisigaw. Sabi ko, tignan. Yung nagbibiro, tignan niyo yung sumisigaw. Mukha bang magkaka-downline sa ibang bansa yan? I'm not kidding. Unang tingin, mukha bang magkaka-downline sa ibang bansa to? Eh, may kilala ako, nagto 2 million per month, ba't hirap mag-downline sa ibang bansa? Samantalang yung itsurang to, libo downline sa ibang bansa? Ano alam mo na hindi niya alam? Tama. Don't tell me mas marami kang alam sa kanya. Kayo nakapag-build in 10, 20 countries, siya hindi. Philippines lang. Why? Mas madali sa Pilipinas. Targetin na lang natin itong 2 million na networker. Kung ano gusto mo, kotse, sige, support. At least, pag nakafocus ka dito, mabilis. 2 million. Pag nakusap yung 2 million, wala na, saturated na tayo, gawa ulit tayong bago. Guys, the way for a long-term MLM company is innovate. Kapag walang innovation ginawa, sad to say, they will shortly and quickly evaporate. Guys, we love you so much. We love you so much. We may not see each other all the time. We may not cross path all the time. But guys, most of the time kayo yung laman ng puso't isipan namin. If you have something to say to us, I have an open door policy. Ang office ko po nasa 407. Punta ka lang. Pag hinarang ka ng guard, sabi mo, I want to talk to Doc Ed. Bakit? I want to talk to him. Nandiyan ba yung secretary niya, si Lynn? Talk to Lynn. Lynn, nandiyan ba si Doc Ed? Pag nandun ako, sasabihin ni Lynn yun, Doc, may leader na may gusto makapag-usap sa'yo. Let's go. If you have something to say, if you have some hurt feelings, if you have some bad feelings about the company, about us, talk to us. Kung wala si John, kung wala si Francis, talk to me. Why? I don't want you guys to create bad decisions on the wrong time. I don't want you to create bad and wrongful decisions pag galit ka. Diba? Sino rito may asawa, may karelasyon? Di ba may asawa? May boyfriend, girlfriend? Experience yun na, di ba? Pagka magkagalit kayo, pag magkagalit, lahat ng pangit nasasabi mo? Tama. Pagka nagkabati na, I love you. I love you ka dyan kanina lang. Halos lahat ng baho ko, isa-isahin mo. Galit ako eh. Isipin mo naman, paano kung tinira? Kung sinabi mo na lahat-lahat at hindi na kayo nagkabalikan, iyak-iyak ka ngayon. Tama o tama? Tapos after some time, makikita mo, may kasama na siyang iba. Diba? May pinaghuhugutan ba? You will create that wrong decision? Guys, it's okay. It's okay to create wrong decision on a wrong company. Okay lang. But if you are on a right company and you're making the wrong decision, boy, sayang. Tama. Guys, marami nang umalis. We bid them farewell. We say our goodbyes. Nag-text kami, God bless, good luck. Okay? Yung iba, nagtayo ng investment company. Good for them. Maganda raw ang kitaan. Mabilis. Sikat kagad sila. Okay lang yun. Yung iba gusto, binary din. Okay, we respect them. But please, create a company with a standard na magtatagal. Tama. I'm happy to admit we have solid competitors. Nandiyan ang Uno, nandiyan ang Royal. We're solid competitors. Create something decent. Something that we could fight head on. Hindi yung naglabas na, sige, pag-isipan natin, pagandahin pa natin yung global. Yung tipong ganun. Hindi yung naglabas, ikaw mismo masasaktan. Galing mong yung global yan. Sayang naman, sana natutunan niya, in-apply niya. We would appreciate if they could create something as equal or even better so that pag sinabi lang mas maganda sa in global, tignan mo, then you will say, nga, mas maganda nga. Hindi, product pa lang wala na eh. So it makes it questionable. Guys, we love you so much. We want to give you the best opportunity there is, not only in the Philippines but around the world. We want to make a name, not for us, but for the Philippines' sake, for us fellow Filipinos, that there will come a time, laos na yung US ang laging number one. Why? We simply believe that we Filipinos, guys, nagsisimulan eh. Kung mapapansin nyo, di ba? Companies like Organo Gold, ang may-ari Pinoy. Ang top earner na Organo Gold is earning what? $1.5 million per month. Tinalo pa yung US company na Amway. I'm proud to say, ang owner ng Organo Gold, Pinoy, Bernie Chua. Kung nagawa ng isang Pinoy, mag-number 1 sa buong mundo, hindi ba kaya ng global? So, they started in US. They started in US, first world country. The difference is we started it here. Third world country. Sila, nung pumasok sila sa first world countries, kaya nila. Pagpasok nila sa third world countries, kinabahan. They cannot compete head-on with us. Bakit? Sanay na tayo sa third world countries. Kabisado na natin ang Philippine market. That's why we're dominating in Africa. Ang mga Africanos, third world citizen, just like us. Kailangan tingi-tingi. Kailangan daily payout. Kailangan mura product. Kailangan retailable yung product. Now, when we enter the first world countries, mas kabisado na natin yan. Kung yung third world countries nga, napagtyagaan natin first world pa kaya. Pero ang first world country player, hirap maglaro sa third world. You know what? There are a dozen of billion-dollar company a year, the MLM company sa US, walang presence sa Philippines. Doon ka magtataka, billion-dollar company a year sa US, but wala kayo sa Pilipinas? Because they cannot compete head-on with us. Tama o tama? Diba? Kahit nga sa SUA, hindi sila makapag-compete eh. Why? Kasi sa kanila, high-end, $300 ang entry level. Maintenance, $150 per month. $150 per month maintenance. Ganun ang US companies. Lahat ng US companies ganyan. $150 to $200 maintenance. Every month kinakailangan bilhin mo. Otherwise, wala kang income. So, paano sila magtatagal sa Pilipinas? Para ka sumasali ng global every month? Tama. Kung napagtiisan natin yung madali, di ba? GC lang, yung maintenance, 1,000, 2,000 lang yung maintenance. Di pagpasok natin sa first world countries, mag-maintenance ka ng $100 para sa kanila, barya sa kanila yun. Nagigets mo ba? Yes. Mas kaya natin mag-dominate doon kasi nagdaan na tayo sa mahirap. Madali nga yung kanila because their market is so rich. Magkano sweldo ng mga Amerikano? $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month. Tapos aalokin mo ng opportunity, $300 entry level. Baryang-barya sa kanila yun. Tapos $30, $40, $50 maintenance. Guys, we love you so much. We want to bring you the best of any MLM vehicle can bring. The best training there is. The best awards that we can have, not only locally but worldwide. Okay, the best online opportunity. Guys, ang dami namin ilalabas that will make online marketing very, very easy for you. Yun ang goal namin. Ayoko lang banggitin yung ibang products, baka ma-preempt. Pero I'm so excited with this. Okay, hirap ka mag-Ingles. Abangan mo to. Hirap ka mag-Ingles. Hirap ka mag-Ingles. Easily, you can prospect, you can present to English-speaking prospects around the world.
Wow, grabe!
Watch out for that, guys. Guys, on that note, I would like to bid you God bless to each and every one of you. God bless to all the group. God bless our business. God bless Global. I am loyal. I am loyal! Thank you very much.
Grabe. Iba. Report.
Tanda na ba? Ayan, kararating lang guys. I'd like to call my partner. Fresh from Singapore. 1,000,000!